she's coming. I know she always come when I in this place. But now she's not. Maybe I can go. Oh, sorry I was late. It's just that I just saw a bunny in the Wolfland, and she posed to not be here. That's why I was late. Well, her name is, well, her name, she posed to not be here. She don't want to tell me her name because we're mean. Well, that was good in my Instagram. Better I can watch it next day. What? You were taking that so long that I need to wait for an hour ago. She was taking too late. Then I just need to say this again and again. Is that even true? Let me just enter the train. The train now. Maybe we can play the slide. It's fun. If you don't wanna, then we can go in the house to play tea party. Or maybe she's right that she saw a bunny in her way. Or maybe she just got too scared and left. It can be anything. Maybe she's telling the truth. Maybe that's been too sad. But if you know for next week,